EU LPG officers residing in Spain for French flag to embark. As you know, Europe is a very simple country. We need this French flag chief officer, I believe it is, for the beginning of July. Then we need a second engineer for end of July. Then a chief officer for beginning of August, a chief officer for the beginning of September, end of October, second engineer. Those European officers that reside in Spain, you have residence and European passport, we can employ you for this French flag. The employer social security is Spanish, but it also seems that French employer can be. Therefore, the wages I'm going to send to you are as follows. This is in case that you are residing in Spain, very important. This Master LPG, 1 year experience, 12,400, 4 year experience, 15,300. Chief Officer LPG, 1 year experience, 9,100, 4 years experience, 11,800. And then we have the Second Officer LPG, 1 year, 5,200, 4 years, 5,900. Third Officer LPG, 1 year, 3,800, 4,800 with 4. Chief Engineer with 1, 12,200 with 4, 15,000. Then we have a second engineer, 9,100, and with 1 year, with 4, 11,800, and third engineer LPG 1 year, 5,200, with 4 years, 5,900, the fourth engineer LPG 1 year, 3,800, and with 4 years, 4,800, automate engineer LPG 1 year, 7,000, with 4 years, 8,600 euro net, plus social security, and this wage you can divide by 2. So then the wage will be on-off, and will be 4 weeks on, 4 weeks off contract. So it's very attractive on-off terms, conditions. The top officers, like the captain, chief officer, must speak a little French. We will have some of these French exams, but it is if you are European residing in Spain, then we can employ you like that in Spain or in the French terms, conditions. Apply urgently because we are going to grow the LPG fleet for improvement of the officers. Also, if you are like LNG experienced, but you don't want to sail to Qatar, you're residing in Spain, you don't want to sail away, you want to sail within the European waters, European flag and the European crew, apply. Merci beaucoup. Au revoir.